Hey James, Brianna here with that video I promised you. In this video, I'm going to cover some tips and tricks on how you can beat your competition and outrank them on Google. So the first thing I really want to get into is content. Content is king. For Google, they like to see between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage and between 500 to 750 words on the service pages. There's two main reasons for this. The first one is the more content that you have, the more you talk about your field and your services, the more that Google sees you as a reliable an expert source on the subject. So they're going to higher rank you. The other reason is the more content you have, the more keywords you can put in, because you want at least 100 words for every keyword. Otherwise, you're going to have an issue with keyword stuffing. So going over here into my tool Ahrefs, I can see what keywords you're ranking for. 209 keywords, and that's giving you 259 customers a month. Looking at some of the keywords that you're ranking for the important ones, right? But a lot of these are also based on your company name. So you want to just try and get your keywords to be anything that your customers are going to be searching for as far as services goes. Going over here, this is your competition site on the same tool, and we can do a quick comparison. You have 226 backlinks. They have 383 coming from 69 domains, and you have 51. Now, for the organic keywords, they also have more than you. They're at 591, but it must be lower ranking because they're getting less traffic than you by 5. So that's good, but what that means is that there's still there's a reason that they're showing up on Google before you using certain keywords that aren't the name of your company. If we go over here to Google search, just by searching concrete contractors in Seattle, I know you service different locations. I had checked a few of them, but trying not to use the company name, but words that customers would use. Skipping through all of the stuff up here, we're going to be getting into the Google Map Pack later in the video. That's this portion right here. And we also want to ignore these directories that aren't actual companies that are competition for you. They're just mentioning competition. You'll see the first actual company website we get is the Concrete Company Seattle for Rainier. And Rainier, looking at their website, they've got more content than you guys do on that homepage, which is probably what's helping them outrank you on Google. They also we know that they have more keywords, and the organic keywords that they're ranking for, it looks like mostly the Seattle, but they are getting, or the asphalt, but they are getting some for the concrete contractors, and that's what we would want to be getting. We can use this tool, and you can actually do the copycat method, which is where you're looking at the backlinks that's helping them outrank against you. And we can export this list and keep all of the best ones, because it's not just about the content being king. When it comes to these backlinks, you also want the quality, right? And an important part to look at is what the traffic is. So all of these backlinks that you're getting here, they're not resulting in any traffic. They're really not worth keeping around. Now, if we go see these red boxes, this is actually a tool telling me that these backlinks aren't clicking over to this company's page. Looking at yours, we have the same issue. So we would want to be getting some of the backlinks that they're using that are top quality. And then we would also want to be going and getting more backlinks so that we can have a higher number than what they have on theirs, right? Because we want to outrank them. You guys want to be showing up on Google before they do, because that 259 customers you're getting a month, you can tack on, half of that as well if you're showing up before your competition on Google. I want to go over as well, talking on the last part with the Google Map Pack. So this is something that's pretty easy to set up. You can go ahead and just add the map pack if you haven't done it yet. There's an application that you can do, just filling out your business information. The map pack is ranked on several different things. It's based on the reviews here and the amount of reviews, and then the accuracy of the contact information and the number of citations. Citations are online directories, similar to what we've seen down here in the search results, expertise.com, homeadvisor.com, Concrete Network. So you would want to be getting all of these citations and directories to be linking back to your company, because first through third is a good place to be, but between third and fourth, not a lot of people are going to be clicking on that view all. So, I mean, that's kind of it for this video. You know, just add some more content, get some more keywords in there, watch out for keyword stuffing, and make sure that you're outranking this Rainier Asphalt. You can go in, you can use some of those keywords, you can get their backlinks, because that's going to move you up ahead of them on certain keywords that aren't related to your company name. We want to see you get up to number 1. But yeah, that's kind of it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns on it, you know how to reach me. Thanks.